Hey guys, not rainy showers anymore. It's actually Conformity Productions now. I want to give a personal shout out to Rainy AJ. Just go subscribe to her. She's awesome. She has 139 videos, I believe. So yeah, she's the one who pointed out. Let's just see what we get on the daily spin. We'll get some snazzical stuff here. My voice is getting better, as you can see. Most of you said, "Oh, I love the voice," but shoot, I have hiccups. I hate hiccups. I just want to record a video and I have to have hiccups. Okay, so anyways, on today's video, something that most gymmers do when they first start YouTube is to do an inventory check. Okay guys, here's a giveaway item. It's a leap year frog rare, and then all my member rares right here. I'll be picking one lucky winner. So on my next video, you have to comment your username, or you could comment on this video, username as a reason and your status. If you're a member, then comment, "Oh, I'm a member." Just X out this. See, if I have 2 pages in the back, it's going to be like laggy. I don't want it to be laggy. Okay, so here we have a school desk, which I can't use, which I'd actually be happy to give away. We have my blue rug here, a frog wall art. Gosh, I have the hiccups, sorry. Bongo drums, we have sturdy table, a welcome mat, a swag pink flamingo, a pillow, a bookshelf, a wallpaper. Oh, where did I just go? Wallpaper, striped couch, another pillow from the store, 2 wheelbarrows, 2 daisy wall art, a kangaroo plushie, a bookshelf, the 5th birthday cake. Woo! Which reminds me, I have to enter the code. 6. Oh, got this right. 6 B-Day. Okay, this girl's just annoying me. What the heck? Why does that keep on popping? Can't talk today. 6 B-Day AJ, right? 6 A-Day AJ B-Day. I wasn't here for the news. 6 AJ B-Day. Okay, what's the code? I have to look at it. It's AJ B-Day 6, and it's all kept. Okay, stop. Like, that girl just keeps on popping up. Oh no, I don't want to change my server. AJ B-Day 6. Finally, I collected my 2nd cake. Lily's the best 10 knew I was such a cake collector. I love cake, so yeah. Okay, so Clever Claws, dresser, fantasy banner. Now, a dinner stool, 2 pillows, again, welcome mat, a few plushies right here. We have a horse plushie and a owl plushie, a blue rug, a sturdy table, a bicycle. We have mirror fountain and 2 of these little small den portals. We have a masterpiece by Lily's the Best 10. I loaf this with all my heart and soul. But that will be, Lily's the Best 10 told me to only give it away once I reach 20 subscribers. So first it's 10 subscribers, then it's 20. I think we can do it. We have a pearl crystal. We have a bunny fence. We have a North Pole thingy. We have a blue sky. We have a portal fish tank, I think. Oh my gosh! Stress. We have an elephant throne. We have a brown tile and 2 other member stuff. We have a gold Egyptian star crab. We have more member stuff I'm not going to name. We have a tiki torch, Another tiki torch. All these tiki torches. We have a swirling hedge, daisy wall art, monkey plushie, member stuff again. All these good old plushies here. Look at that plush. Oh my gosh, this is just... Oh, it's about storks. What the heck? As you can see, my voice is getting better from my teeth, so I'm really happy. Look at how many plushies you used to have. Gosh, it must have been hard back then. Is this all? Oh, we're done. Okay, we're done the den items. Kind of glad it took me 95 minutes. Okay, this will take me only 54. Oh my gosh. So we have all my giveaway items up here, all these rares I will be giving away once we reach 10 subscribers. Star cake, tiara, AJ wristband, pink purse, I'm wearing it right now. Heart locket, silver glove. Oh, I didn't even know I had the hat and beard. Now I do. I'm gonna wear it. We have this diamond encrusted tail. We have bat glasses, a dragon mask, a hat and curly wig. These gingerbread wings, Gemaloliday. Why did I just say that? Okay, flower crown. We have a tiara, a head flower, a ribbon scarf thingy. A ribbon scarf, yeah, that was right. Gingerbread top hat, police hat, rail hood. Okay, we're gonna go through this as fast as we can. Star cape, necklace. Ugh, girl. Brett. Cat ears. Fedora. Cone collar. All these member stuff. Hat and beard again. I'm not gonna wear that because this one goes with my outfit. More member stuff. I'm sad I can't wear it. Tiara. Blanket. Tie. And horn leg pads. I think I'm done here. Anyways, guys, if you want any of the member items you saw or any of the giveaway items I'm giving away, then make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I can't believe this is my second day doing a video. And we already reached 6 subscribers. I know I shouldn't be bringing this up, but it kind of took Billy's the best 10, Mystical times AJ, like a month to like a few weeks just reach 8 subscribers. I'm glad we're catching up a little bit. She has 30 subscribers, and oh my gosh, there's a ladybug crawling on my window. So, yeah, I better go. Goodbye. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. JK, that's Pepper's outro. Goodbye.